Okay, ito naman, of course, galing kay Krisha's Kitchen pa rin, ice cream, sugar-free, low-carb, gluten-free, keto, diabetic friendly, triple chocolate almond. So ito naman yung titikman natin. Yung strawberry kahapon, ubos na. Dahil marami kami kumakain na yan. Of course, dapat frozen. Tapos medyo dinefrost lang namin, tinon namin para madaling kunin. So hindi na ito tatagal ng 1 week, syempre. Ubusin na namin to. So anyway, so ito, Krisha's Kitchen, ice cream, let's taste. Parang yung sikat na naka-ice cream lang. Yung sikat na choco drink. Yun tayo yung sikat na choco drink. Ganun yung lasa. Parang yung, hindi ko babagoy rin yung pangalan. Okay, pabili kayo Krisha's Kitchen, ice cream.